Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Through this video, we shall learn finding the squares of the given numbers using different methods. This is exercise 6.2 under the chapter Squares and Square Roots of class 8th NCERT book. The question 1 is find the square of the following numbers. Here the numbers are 32, 35, 86 and so on. So, square of 32 can be obtained simply by multiplying 32 by itself. This is known as usual method, and this is 1024. Now in second part we have to find out the square of 35. This is a number which contains 5 at its units place. To find the square of such type of numbers, we use this property. Write this 3 and then its next consecutive, that is 3 plus 1, and multiply these two numbers and write 25. Or you can say that multiply this by 100 then plus 25. So in this way we get 3 plus 1 4, 4 3 are 12, into 100 is 1200 plus 25 is equal to 1225. This is the square of 35, and this method is used for getting the squares of numbers having 5 in its units place. Now problem third is 86 square. Here we shall apply an identity to get square of 86. 86 can be written as 80 plus 6 or 100 minus 14. So this is A and this is B. So using the identity A plus B whole square, we have A square plus 2AB plus B square. 80 into 80 is this, and 80 2 ja 160, 160 into 6 960, then 6 6 ja 36, and their total is 7396. Thus square of 86 is 7396, and this is the method where we have used identity of A plus B whole square. We can make it A minus B whole square also by writing 86 as 100 minus 14, but 14 is a larger number, so getting square of 14 is little bit complicated in comparison to getting the square of 6. In fourth part we have to find out the square of 93. Here 2 we will apply an identity of A minus B like this. 100 minus 7 is 93. So this 93 can be expressed as 100 minus 7 and its whole square. Using the identity of a minus b whole square, we have 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 7 plus 7 square, and this is 10,000 minus 1400 plus 49, and their result is 8649. Now in next part, square of 71 is to be found out. This can be expressed as 70 plus 1. Using the identity of a plus b whole square, we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. 70 into 70 is 4900, and this is 140, this is 1. So their total is 5041. In the same manner, square of 46 can be obtained by using the identity of a minus b whole square by expressing 46 as 50 minus 4, and the result is 2116. Now question number 2. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is this. पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट में 3 नंबर होते हैं और उन 3 नंबर में से एक नंबर हमें यहाँ पर 6 दिया हुआ है। अदर 2 मेंबर्स इसके फाइंड आउट करना है। हम जानते हैं कि फॉर एवरी नेचुरल नंबर n विच इज ग्रेटर देन 1, 2n, n square minus 1 and n square plus 1 always form a Pythagorean triplet. Always form a Pythagorean triplet. If we suppose that the given member 6 is 2n, suppose the first member, which is 2n, is this number 6. This gives n is equal to 3. हमें n की वैल्यू एक नेचुरल नंबर मिलनी चाहिए, जैसा कि यहाँ पर n इज इक्वल टू 3 मिला हुआ है। कोई फ्रैक्शनल नंबर नहीं आनी चाहिए। अगर फ्रैक्शनल नंबर आती है तब हम इस 6 को 2n सपोज नहीं करेंगे, अगला n स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 6 सपोज कर लेंगे। अगर उससे भी n की वैल्यू पूरी संख्या नहीं मिलती है तो हम आगे n स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 6 सपोज कर लेंगे। चूँकि यहाँ पर 2n इज इक्वल टू 6 सपोज करने से ही n इज इक्वल टू 3 प्राप्त हो चुका है, एंड देयरफॉर अदर मेंबर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स आर क्या हो जाएंगे, जो दूसरा मेंबर होगा वो होगा n स्क्वायर माइनस 1 और n की वैल्यू 3 है, मीन्स 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 1 मीन्स 9 माइनस 1 दैट इज 8, और नेक्स्ट होगा n स्क्वायर प्लस 1 मीन्स 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 दैट इज 9 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 10. Thus required Pythagorean triplet is, पहला मेंबर 6 था और दूसरा 8 हो गया और तीसरा 10 हो गया. दिस इज द required answer. In second part, one of the members of the Pythagorean triplet is 14. So, if we suppose 2n is equal to 14, this gives n is equal to 7. And therefore, other members of Pythagorean triplet are n square minus 1, where n is 7, that is 7 square minus 1. 14 minus 1 is equal to 48, and n square plus 1, that is 7 square plus 1, 49 plus 1, 50. So, Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 14 is 14, 48 and 50. In third part, where one member of the Pythagorean triplet is given 16, let 2n is equal to 16, which gives n is equal to 8. And therefore, other members of the Pythagorean triplet are, पहला हो जाएगा n स्क्वायर माइनस 1, दैट इज 8 स्क्वायर माइनस 1, 63, और दूसरा हो जाएगा n स्क्वायर प्लस 1, दैट इज 8 स्क्वायर प्लस 1, 65. So required Pythagorean triplet is 16, then 63 and 65. In fourth part, one of the member is given as 18. Let 2n is equal to 18. This implies that n is equal to 9. And therefore, other members of the Pythagorean triplet are n square minus 1, that is 9 square minus 1, 9 9 is 81 minus 1, that is 80, and n square plus 1, that is 9 square plus 1, 81 plus 1 is equal to 82. And so, required Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 18 is 18 and 80, 82. इस वीडियो में मात्र इतना ही, क्योंकि इस एक्सरसाइज में केवल 2 ही क्वेश्चन थे। उम्मीद है कि ये दोनों ही क्वेश्चन आपने समझे होंगे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।